So in order to make like accurate marks on there where I need to cut, I did end up gluing them, like super gluing them together. That way I can just mark it now without it moving around, and then warm it up a little bit, and then the super glue should loosen up. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put marks on the edges here. Because that's how big I want the notch to be. Then on the other side I'll do the same. So now I have decent marks on there. Let's take the tweezers and just going to like gently warm this up. Not sure, well, it's a big piece. There we go. So now I can mount that into the other piece again. Still, yeah, it's still a bit warm. Let's see, can I? Let's take the tweezers back. And there it goes. Just in the meantime, it has cooled down. So now I can mount this there, and then just use my mini rotary cutter again. Well, let's do a little test fit. It needs a bit more off. Yep, we're getting somewhere. So now we have one side, if I can unscrew it. Wants to focus. Yes, and I have one side that fits rather well. So now I'm just going to repeat that same process on the other side. And then I'm going to clean that up a bit. That came loose. Let's see if we can tighten it up a bit. It stays in place. Still a bit too wide. Okay, that's almost. We just need to get a little bit deeper. So I'm just going to take off a bit from here. Okie dokie. There we are. So I'm just going to clean that up a little bit and I will get back to you. So there we have it, all cleaned up. So yeah, now it is time to solder it. Like soldering it, I'm going to do it the other way around. So like, if there's solder dripping down, it drips away from the screw thread, because otherwise I'm probably going to end up like soldering the two pieces together, which is not what I want. The only reason I will have the other piece attached to it is to make sure that I don't like burn up the screw thread, because screw threads are very sensitive. If you hit them with the flame too much, you might end up like just burning them up, that they're not longer there. And we do need those, so yeah, we're not going to do that. So yeah, let's get everything set up to solder. So I got it ready to solder. Did some solder on there, already preheated the bottom part. It's going to ease things a little bit. So yeah, let's start. To make sure it is straight. That looks straight. But it's a bit shifted. So I need to warm it up again and try to shift that, because that's not good. And now I desoldered it. Okay. Going to have to add a bit more solder then. And retry it. So for some reason I lost the footage, but I can show you what I did. So what I basically did is I got this lap stand out to basically hold that in place steady. And then I just heated it up, added a touch of solder. And yeah, now that those two parts are bonded together and they're not going anywhere. So as for now, what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to clean it up a bit. Make it look nice again. And then we'll see each other for like the next step, and that's deciding what we're going to do for the little knob. I'm probably just going to cut it to a certain length and see if we have enough grip. I don't have anything to do some knurling, so we might have to get creative there. But yeah, that's it for now.